Balochistan is facing a crucial moment. The streets have become battle zones. Balochistan Liberation Army taking on the might of Pakistan's military, echoing memories of 1971 in a way. After days of fighting, Pakistan now conceded that it is fighting a losing battle. Speaking in the parliament, Pakistan's defense minister, Khwaja Asif himself, stressed that it's very difficult for the army to control the state of affairs in Balochistan owing to its vast expanse as compared to other provinces of Pakistan. Let's just play out his statement for you.
उसकी ज्योग्राफी जो है वो कवर उस तरह नहीं हो सकती जिस तरह पंजाब या सिंध या पख्तूनख्वा की हो सकती है उससे ये एडवांटेज लेते हैं.
And in another significant moment, he also admitted that the Baloch fighters had better weapons as compared to the Pakistan army. For instance, he claimed that the BLA had a rifle worth 2 million Pakistani rupees, something which the army did not possess. Not just that, he added that a Baloch fighter wears a fighting gear worth close to $20,000.
इनके पास जो असला है मैं आपको उसका भी बताता हूँ. 20 लाख रुपए की तो सिर्फ राइफल है, हमारे पास नहीं है वो राइफल. उसके ऊपर जो लेजर जो हीट बॉडी की हीट से डिटेक्ट होकर फायर होता है वो $4,000-5,000 का वो है. टोटल जो गियर है इनके पास जो है इट्स क्लोज टू $20,000.
Balochistan remains on the boil. The BLA struck at the heart of the province by launching simultaneous attacks in 10 parts, including Quetta, and claimed to have killed 220 security personnel. However, Pakistan is claiming otherwise. It claimed to have eliminated 145 militants while citing low fatalities at its end. While Balochistan's quest for freedom dates back to the inception of Pakistan, Islamabad has intensified its crackdown in the last few decades. The killing of Nawab Akbar, a former chief minister and governor in 2006, further fueled the uprising against the Pakistani state. Enforced disappearances of Baloch people became an international issue. Prominent activists, Mehrang Baloch, for example, remaining behind bars. While Pakistan is trying to woo Bangladesh today, the scars which its army inflicted in 1971 as part of Operation Searchlight and other repressive measures are too deep to forget.